A train overtakes two persons who are walking in the same direction in which the train is going at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour and 4 kilometers per hour and passes them completely in 9 and 10 seconds respectively. The length of the train is. Okay, so we are given that there are two persons and they are moving at the speed of 2 and 4 kilometers per hour respectively. Speed of first person is 2 kilometers per hour and second person moves at 4 kilometers per hour. And the train passes them completely in 9 and 10 seconds respectively. So we are given the times as well, so which is 9 seconds and 10 seconds. The length of the train is what? Okay, so let's say this is the train and this is the person, and they both are moving in same direction. Okay, and it is said that the train overtakes them. So when can we say that this train has completely overtook this person? When this part of the train completely passes this person, only then we can say that this train has completely overtook this person, right? So that means this entire length of the train becomes our distance. So let's call this distance d. All right, now before calculating anything, let's first calculate the relative speed of the train and this person's, right? So for first person, the relative speed will be both the person and the train are moving in the same direction, and whenever two objects are moving in the same direction, we get the difference of their speed to calculate the relative speed here. Okay, so we'll do the same in this case. So speed of the train is, let's call this st, speed of the train. So we get relative speed, which is st minus speed of the person, which is 2. Okay, and similarly for the second person, speed of the train minus speed of the person, which is 4. So we have our relative speed. Now let's use the formula that says distance is equals to speed into time. We have speed, which is st minus 2 into time, which is 9 seconds. Okay, so now we are given the option that are in meters, and the time given to us is in seconds. So let's convert this speed, which is in kilometers per hour, into meter per second. Okay, so now this is in kilometers per hour, and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, and 1 hour is equals to 36 seconds. Or I can say that this is 5 by 18, right, into time, which is 9. So we have distance is equals to 5 nines are 45 divided by 18 into time into speed, which is st minus 2. Let's call this equation 1. Okay, now let's do the same for this second person as well. We know that distance is equals to speed into time. Speed here is st minus 4. Again we convert this kilometers per hour into meter per second. For that we multiply it by 5 by 18 into time, which is 10 seconds. Okay, so this is 5 tens are 50 by 18 st minus 4, right? Let's call this equation 2. Now the same train is overtaking both the persons, right? So that means distance here is same for both the persons. So that means this distance and this distance is equal. So that means we can equate the right hand side of both the equations 1 and 2. So let's do that. We get from equation 1, 45 by 18 multiplied by st minus 2 is equals to 50 by 18 into st minus 4. Okay, so 18 cancelled, 5 nines are 5 tens are, so we get 9 st minus 18 is equals to 10 st minus 40. So we get st is equals to 22, right? Now we have a speed of the train, which is 22 meter per second. Let's substitute this speed in equation 1 to get the distance, because that is what we are asked, the length of the train. So we can either put the value of st in equation 1 or 2. I'll put it in equation 1. So we get distance, which is equals to 45 by 18 and st minus 2. So st is 22, 22 minus 2 is 20. Let's simplify. We get 10s are and 9 5s are. So we get 5 10s are 50 meters, and this is our required answer. So here option B is the correct one.